experience. In water and now we are here by Maten at the like the Aha Thai Trang Road for young mouth hot neglected to this. Men cleaning and then from the Kong to Charan Crom or laying the Longi National Park Koulen. This is another waterfall, a small waterfall of Koulen Mountain, National Park of Cambodia.
Oh, interesting, man. Oh, and I come near here. Oh, and I took man, Oh, bye bye. Okay guys, now we are ready to explore the national park of Koulen Mountain, and this trip it is more special than before because we come up by the east side of the mountain. Yes, OB with golden chain, you see it before. Lư trong căng là bay vua này ngày cho em miền từ sạp bằng thì hơi muối bong tô mùi em phải ra cả lò men bàn phải ra cả lò bàn. Now on main road. Hey guys, 2 double doodles. That's you, so right here.
fishing here. Small village, very small. So we have a local mechanics in the village over here, and my bike is broken, and then we have a motorcycle spoke to fix it. You see that? Brakes not working, and that is a few 100 meters from here to the mount. There's a mountain. You see this? You see very low from here, but it will be very top. We're going up that mountain, so you guys gonna see. But I'm really disappointed because my bike is broken the brake, and then that is our team over there. So we're going to see our team, and that's the local guy, a local man. He's a mechanic, motorcycle mechanic. So he helped me to fix my bike. And that's our team right there. I have one more life. Hello, Subscribe, subscribe to me. You still alive? Bong. Sorry. On subscribe on. Okay, guys. So we going up that mountain. We will check how many minutes we're going up because it's so deep, and that's pretty feels. It's a Blue Dragon team. Today we go uphill. It's missing our tree. Always coming. That's mountain. It's very, that is not part of Cambodia. Cambodia and Siem Reap is about 50 kilometers from Siem Reap to this mountain. So that mountain is called Poleak Cave, and there's large areas on the top. And there used to be the old capital of the Thailand Border, or Angkor Kingdom, from the 9th century. So you guys would like to come here and visit Cambodia, and don't forget to come here. There's some nice views, and right here right off the top, see the cliff right there. You can see the good views from here. The gate, and from after this about 10 meters. Let's go up until to the local village. He have experience, so he know what is happen going is next. Oh my God, my bike crying. Who's that? Blue shirt, not Blue Dragon. Hi. The blue gong or not hi? Tay chương lơ thẹ tí tí đấy ọt hot dứt phần tay ọt hot tan cho bạn từng hầm. Yeah, you have experience. Don't tell me. See the clip of views behind. Oh, pretty feel. Oh, VIP man. This car is slower than our bike. Are you okay? You alright? Okay. Mùi ở từ vân mốc không đi diêm. ba tao mốc bông em he's the first one, the team leader, and he also fast. And then a lot of big truck on Sunday today, so normally they don't allow to come up here, but today is Sunday, they open it. So it's a lot of people come on holiday, so they come from the eastern side of this national park. And normally it's very quiet. It's nice to cycle. The road's not really finished, so they don't allow to come up, but I don't know why. Today is Sunday, so they allowed people on holiday. So even COVID-19 is a little bit quiet now in Cambodia, so a lot of people moving, traveling, and then they spend money now, but it's just a small money because 2 years they never earn money. So like me, I never earn money, so almost died. Lucky man. Okay. So my bike helped me a lot to do this situation. Okay, man. Yeah, rút thật. Okay, now we have water break. We met ABC team that they come early in the morning this morning, and our team have 2 lady fed up. That's ABC team, all strong. Tôi chỉ con mau đấy còn. Okay, bye bye. Nice day. Yeah, see you at the waterfall. For a couple drink at the grocery shop. Grocery shop, a small shop in the community area.
Speak English
Okay. Yeah, there's a local shop in Cambodia. They don't have fridge. They have eye container. SK. Okay. So we're gonna divide into groups. One group going to the another waterfall, and another group going to the new one, golden waterfall.
Golden
Waterfall.
Golden town.
No. Nice couple đấy. Cho bé tí tao.
Nè mình đẹp bay.
Nice village. Wow, that's on the single track gravel road. So lose the ears a little bit. This is our experience. Ủa, tặng hả bọn?
Tặng à. Thua, bắt chụp thua một năm tịnh bạn.
Chưa còn được. Tiếp tiếp không?
Bọt sò vậy.
Nó đã rùm này sọp, snop nhóm bọt đã nó sọp bọt trổ tí. Rồng chai.
Kẹp anh. Okay. Sick road.
Okay, let's go. Cắt cho thơm. Cắt cho thơm không.
Họ đã tươn. Rồi, yên tâm. Chọc rồi bạn. Đi đâu á? Này này quay này. That's the beautiful views and of the waterfall during Japs. I mean the lake of the sparrows names, but there's a lot of cyclists here, and then they're singing karaoke. People made it a campings, and that's a Blue Dragon cycling teams, and then there's the views over here. I take one video. Lunch break now. What time is it?
Picture opportunity.
He called to a local people, a community, bring us the lunch, and that's a stronger man. Hey, yeah. That's next. Okay. Okay, so now at the waterfalls, and then the Blue Dragon cycling team now enjoy swimming in the water. The Jingap stream, spring water, and now we are very enjoy waiting for our lunch. And it's quiet now, no more karaoke, so that's why I take video. Hey. Yeah. Two pot. Bạn nói tới việc luôn ấy. Đi đâu?
Ôi, người nó đau luôn. Cho sao nó được ấy. Camera.
After lunch. Nè, cái viên thong kia hả?
Mời băng nó clear à? Tiệm. bao chơi không
โอเคสบาย
wow giết
เป็นสบายย่ายหลาน
nhắm đi
ตัวสมบัติlần khmerเนี่ยพอ
bà thôi chọc trong kia môi lấy nàyยังbắt là tức trôi phần lông trường chạp thấy fit kia sắp bay mà đến ở cửa lạiពីអាហារថៃត្រង់រួចពួកយើងមកថតនៅកន្លែងទឹកជ្រោះនេះមានក្មេងៗនិងក្រុមទីកង់ទីច្រើនក្រុមមកលេងនៅលងជាចាប់ឬ National Park ភ្នំ Koulen. This is another waterfall, a small waterfall of Koulen Mountain National Park of Cambodia. So that is the team leader and he really enjoyed that. Đó.
มีคำราม
nhầm prang pe
សិនជាកង់តាំងអាចនឹងដួល
អាចនឹងដួលទុកអត់ជាប់
មិនបានខ្យល់ធូរឯណាហ្នឹងហើយ
ដួលស្អីបើកង់ខ្ញុំរត់តាំងមើល
Okay, so we done the trip today. About how many kilometers today?
90 kilometer
90 kilometers on mountain bike.
round
At the National Park of Cambodia. So now we done. Now we have a couple drink of sugarcane juice. So we're going back to town soon, but we wait till our member and our team leader come. Now we're waiting over here. Yeah, we come a bit earlier.